testing and do some exercise on Visual Basic for applications to make this very enticing. So for example, I want to move these objects here. First of all, we need to save this file now as a macro. Okay, so here we are. First thing, we're gonna do this. Now, if I remember correctly, in the calculation one, we have also this one, projected period, projected date to complete the UAT. I'm gonna make it here. And this one is format is the same, and this one is equal to I have to protect format cells. I lock it. Yeah, this is not to be updated, so I'm going to make it in this color. The second thing to do is we're going to check in the developer ribbon the structure of our file. Here we are. We have dashboard, test list, tickets, calculation. Workbook, we can also input like workbook open. Okay. This is I'm going to do, for example, this one, MSG box. This is report version 3.0 of UAT, of the UAT. Okay, so I'm going to save this. I'm going to close this. If I'm going to close my file here, I want to reopen the file. Open. When I open it, enable content, I get this is report. Okay, you see here, I have the message, the welcome message. Okay, so what I did is developer ribbon, Visual Basic, workbook open routine. When I open a workbook, I do this. I can also add something when I close. Here before close, I'll say MSG box goodbye. So what happened when I'm closing this file, I get this goodbye. I can also do another thing, developer. I define dim. View B, yes, no. Okay, exit the N. Oh, sorry, I did the wrong way. I do this here. If X is equal to yes, then message box goodbye. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. Save. I'm gonna close. Are you sure to quit? I say yes. Goodbye. Okay, if I open this again, I'm gonna close this. Are you sure to quit? No. And quit without saying goodbye. Okay, but of course, once you quit, you quit. So we know now how to do this. According to the dates and the value here in this chart, and we're going to see this in the next video.